Hey everyone, quick question for you. Did you know that a big cat can actually be a super swimmer?
Wait, really? I mean, most cats absolutely hate getting wet.
Well, not this one. Welcome to Jason Graphs. Today, we're diving in, literally, to learn all about the amazing Jaguar.
So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to cover identity, habitat, diet, habits, and then some really amazing facts.
Oh, I can't wait. Let's get started.
All right, Section 1, Introduction and Identity. So, its common name is the Jaguar, but scientists actually have a special name for it. The scientific name is Panthera onca. Let's sound that out together, nice and slow. Panthera onca.
Panthera onca. Okay, that sounds really cool.
It really does. Now, the jaguar is a mammal, just like you and me, and it is huge. A jaguar can weigh up to 158 kilograms. To put that into perspective, that's literally as heavy as 2 grown men.
Whoa, no way. As heavy as 2 grown men? That is one massive cat.
Now, here's a really cool trick to tell a jaguar apart from a leopard. They look pretty similar at first glance. A jaguar's spots are actually called rosettes, and if you look super closely, jaguars have these blocky rosettes with little dark spots right inside them. Leopards, on the other hand, just have solid rosettes with no spots inside.
Oh, wow, I see it. The beautiful blocky patterns on their coats. So those little spots inside are basically like a secret code to know it's a true jaguar?
Moving right along to Section 2, Habitat, or where it lives.
First up, let's learn a brand new word, habitat. Habitat just means the natural home of an animal. Let's think about that for a second.
Okay, habitat, the natural home of an animal. I've got it. So where exactly is the jaguar's habitat?
Well, jaguars live in a region called the Americas. You can actually find them all the way from Mexico up in the north, all the way down to Argentina in the south. And they absolutely love warm, wet weather, so they live in these lush green rainforests and wet, watery areas called wetlands.
So they really love the water and the thick green jungle. That sounds like such a beautiful home.
Next up is Section 3, Diet, or what it eats. Jaguars are carnivores. A carnivore is an animal that only eats meat. Let that sink in for a moment.
Wait, a carnivore? So that means they definitely don't eat salad or leaves, right?
Exactly right. No plants or side salads for the jaguar. Strictly meat.
So, what kind of meat are they catching? Well, 2 of their absolute favorite foods are large rodents called capybaras and turtles.
Turtles? But turtles have those really hard, thick shells. How on earth do they eat them?
Well, jaguars have super strength jaws. Their bite is so powerful that they can easily crack right open those hard turtle shells.
Wow, I had no idea their jaws were that incredibly strong.
All right, let's check out Section 4, Daily Habits and Behavior.
Here's another big vocabulary word for us to learn today, solitary. Solitary means living alone, not in a group.
Wait, solitary? So that means they don't live in big family packs like wolves do?
That's exactly right. Most of the time, jaguars are solitary. They prefer to live completely by themselves.
Jaguars are actually very adaptable animals. They can sleep during the day or they can sleep during the night. They can be awake in the bright sunshine or the dark night to hunt for food. But whether it's day or night out, they almost always prefer to roam their large territory entirely alone.
And now for my favorite part, Section 5, Amazing Facts.
Okay, listen to this super fun quote. If big cats had superhero personas, leopards would be Spider-Man and jaguars would be Aquaman.
Aquaman? Just because they love the water so much?
Exactly. Jaguars are true aquatic heroes. They love to play, hunt, and swim in the water. They're actually known to swim huge distances between islands, sometimes over 1 whole kilometer.
So, amazing fact number 1, they are super swimmers. Fact number 2, did you know that black panthers are actually just jaguars? Yeah, sometimes jaguars are born with dark black fur instead of yellow fur.
No way. A black panther is just a jaguar in disguise? That is amazing.
It really is. And fact number 3, their original name comes from a native word, yaguara, and that translates to a wild beast that leaps on its prey.
A leaping beast? That sounds so powerful and honestly perfectly fits this big cat.
Finally, Section 6, Summary and Key Takeaways. All right, here are the big 3 words we learned today. Number 1, mammal.
The jaguar is a warm-blooded mammal. Number 2, carnivore. It only eats meat. And number 3, solitary. It likes to live alone. Try to remember these 3 bold keywords forever. Mammal, carnivore, solitary. Got it. Locked in my brain for sure.
Here's a fun final question for you to think about at home. If you were a jaguar, would you rather swim in a cool river or climb a tall jungle tree?
Ooh, I would definitely want to swim in a river. I love splashing around.
Great choice. Well, if you loved learning about the jaguar today, please like this explainer and subscribe to JASM Graphs for more fun learning. And a quick reminder, this explainer was made with the help of AI. AI can sometimes make mistakes, so always keep learning and double-check your facts. See you next time.